Hi guys, Kerry here from Kerry On Dancing. Hope you've had a good week. It's another party dance for you today. This one is called the Locomotion. The version we're going to do fits to the Little Eva version of the song because I know there is several of them out there, also one from Kylie Minogue, but the one we use is Little Eva. So we're counting in eights again, nice and simple, and the song is repetitive, so the dance repeats with the same bit with the verse and the same bit with the chorus as usual. We're going to start with some side steps. You go to the right, side, close, side, tap, side, close, side, tap. Remember, when you tap your foot, you use it again. When you step, you use the other foot. While we're doing that to the right and left, our arms are going to go in a little locomotion movement. So we're going to go to the right, you get and 1, 2, 3, and tap, 2, 2, 3, tap. You then do the Macarena bit with your arms, so you get hand, hand, turn it over, shoulder, shoulder, hip, hip. And then you repeat those two movements again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hand, hand, turn it over, shoulder, shoulder, hip, hip. From there, you're going to keep your left foot on the floor where it is, and you're going to rotate around it, okay? So that stays there. You step to the side with your right foot, side, replace weight to your left, and you do a quarter turn, side, replace weight to your left, you do a quarter turn, side, replace weight to your left, do a quarter turn, side, replace weight to your left, and close your feet, because we need the left foot to start on the next one, because we're going to travel to the left. So you get side, replace, side, replace, side, replace, side, replace. Okay? So from the beginning, I'll try and like hum something that sounds slightly like the tune. You get and. Do 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 da da ba da do be do be do 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 do. From there, you're standing on the left foot. You're going to do a rock forwards and back and forwards again with your right foot. So you rock and rock and rock, run, run, run in a backwards direction. Now your left foot is going to go rock and rock and rock with the run, run, run forwards, okay? So the right foot goes forwards and back and forwards, run, run, back, and then the left foot back and forwards and back, run, 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 okay? So from the bit where we swing round, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a forwards and back and forwards, a run, 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 back and forwards and back, run, run, run. And then it goes, you're going to swing your hips, so you're going to do side, swing, side, swing, side, swing, side, swing. And we roll forwards and backwards, then with the arms, your left foot's going to stay there, and you're going to step forwards and tap, back, tap, forwards, tap, back, tap, and then you're going to step back with the right foot and repeat that action, but starting going backwards first. Back, tap, forwards, tap, back, tap, forwards, tap. And I think that's all there is to the song. So we'll go from the chugs, run forward and back, where you rock with your right foot, and then right up to the end there. So you get forwards and back and forwards, run, run, back, back, and forwards and back, run, run, forwards. You're now going to swing your hips, swing, 2, 3, 4, roll it forwards, roll back, roll forwards, roll back, roll back, roll forwards, roll back, roll forwards, and then you should be ready to start again. So I'll do the whole thing through for you. We start with the side steps to the right, and do 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 Macarena. I know you'll get to like it if you give it a chance now. Hand, hand, turn it over, shoulder, shoulder, hip. You swing it all around as you do the moves. You do the other way and a do, do, do. So rock forwards and back and rock and a run, run, run. Rock back and forwards and back. A run, run, run. Swing, 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 swing. Roll it forwards, roll back, roll forwards, roll back, roll back, roll forwards, roll back, roll forwards. And then back to the start. Yeah, boom cha, you got it. Okay, there is a second video with myself and Lauren dancing the steps and choreography. Click the link at the end of this video if you'd like to watch that and dance along with us. In the meantime, have a good week. Hope you enjoy the locomotion. Speak to you all soon. Bye.